In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access and review customer balances using QuickBooks Online. This tutorial is perfect for small business owners or accounting professionals who want to easily track outstanding payments from clients. By the end of this guide, you'll know how to navigate through QuickBooks Online to access this information efficiently, including how to run a detailed report if you need further analysis. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to log in to QuickBooks Online. Open your preferred internet browser, whether it's Chrome, Safari, or another option, and type in the URL quickbooks.intuit.com. Once the page loads, enter your account credentials to sign in. This is your gateway to a range of financial tools, so make sure your login details are up to date and secure. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to set one up for access to QuickBooks Online's features. Otherwise, let's move forward. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. To view customer information, we need to head over to the customer section. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see a menu. Click on Sales and then select Customers. This will take you to a page listing all your clients. On this customers page, take a look at the information presented. Here you can identify each customer individually. What's particularly useful is the balance column next to each customer's name. This shows you at a glance how much money each customer currently owes. This layout is super helpful for quickly identifying overdue accounts or simply keeping tabs on who's paid and who hasn't. If you're someone who needs a more detailed analysis of outstanding invoices, QuickBooks offers an optional step to dive deeper with reports. Navigate again to the left menu and this time click on Reports. In the search bar, you can type Accounts Receivable Aging Summary or Accounts Receivable Aging Detail depending on your needs. Choose the appropriate report to access it, and if necessary, you can customize the date range. These reports categorize outstanding invoices based on how long they've been overdue, such as 0, 30 days, 31 to 60 days, and so forth. This granularity helps you prioritize which accounts need immediate follow-ups and keeps your cash flow in check. Analyzing these reports regularly will give you insights into your business's financial health and customer payment habits. Once you've run the report, you can take an additional step of documenting your findings. QuickBooks allows you to export these reports into Excel or PDF format for easy sharing or record-keeping purposes. You can also print them out directly if hard copies are part of your workflow. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've learned how to efficiently access and review customer balances in QuickBooks Online, as well as how to extract detailed insights with the AR Aging Report. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy bookkeeping.